Alright, so why branding? Simply because branding is the driving force you need to have to promote and sell your designs and grow your company. In each one of the classes in this course, we'll cover different channels to promote your designs. And you'll see how branding is the thread that's consistent. And by the end of this course, you will realize the power of branding. You see, your brand is like your signature. Like when you sign something like a document, right? Your signature is very unique, right? Only you can sign your signature like that. And branding is the same. Your brand is a reflection of who you are. So it starts with identifying your customer. We're going to assume that you know who your customer is, okay? But before we even get into that, let's take a step back. Before we start promoting your brand, there's one thing you must have in place, and that is brand cohesiveness and consistency. What does that mean? It means that not only your collection must be cohesive, but everything else about your brand must be consistent. Let me explain. So you have your portfolio, you have your logo, you've got your business cards, you've got your stationery, and you have a blog, and you've got a website. Everything must be consistent. Colors, style, fonts, everything must be consistent, including words. Yes, a verbal guide. What are you saying about your brand? And how are you saying it? What fonts are you using? Is it all caps? And your logo, keep it simple. If it's too complicated, and if it's too busy, when you shrink it down to fit into an Instagram page, for example, will it look okay? Before you launch your brand, think of your advertising campaign. Yes, advertising is essential in launching a new brand. Whether it's your first collection or you've been doing it for a while, think about things like what channels are you using to advertise your product? And what images are you using, like your lookbooks pictures, for example, and your lifestyle images? They all have to be cohesive for a good branding campaign. Remember, you're not just selling clothes. You're selling a lifestyle. You're selling an idea, a message, a cause. Getting into the hearts and minds of your customer will help you sell your clothes. And marketing will bridge the gap between your brand and the consumer. What message do you want to put out into the world? Think about that. Only you can answer that question. Make it a good one. Make it inspiring. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.